Your Lordship can hear our voice? Lordship can hear our voice? Can Lordships hear us? हैं कि सर muted तो नहीं है सर? I request Justice Joseph sir to kindly unmute himself. The Lordships may kindly unmute.
Yeah, I can hear you now. Yeah.
Yeah. And your Lordship can open the camera also. Your Lordship, we are formally starting with a event.
Yeah.
I have Sanchita.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. First of all, I would like to say that if anyone gets out of the meeting due to any technical issues, they can join in by using the same link. And I would request all of you to turn on your cameras and mute yourself so that no further issues would be there. So, sir, may I start now?
Yes, Sanchita.
Okay. So, hello everyone, and a very warm welcome to all of you to the inauguration and official e-launch of our website, Legal Yacht. In case of any technical issues, as I've suggested, please join in using the same link. And on this propitious occasion, we have with us our chief guest, Justice Kurian Joseph, former judge of the Supreme Court of India, and our guest of honor, Mr. Mohit Mathur, senior advocate and president of the Delhi High Court Bar Association. I would like to thank you both sincerely and welcome you to this event. Along with them, we have all the honorary advisory board members as well as the students and team of Legal Yacht. Legal Yacht was an idea that has been turned into a reality with the hard work and dedication of people who have made the launch of this website into a success that it rightfully deserves. What started with just a few people has now turned into an organization with over 10 astounding practicing advocates in our advisory board and more than 40 law interns of different law colleges from all over India. We have prepared a small video for the launch of the website, which I would now request to be played and viewed by everyone.
Yes, Sanchita, go ahead.
Yeah, so now without any further ado, I would like to kindly request Dr. Amit George to kickstart today's inauguration with a few words.
Yeah, hi. I'm having some bandwidth issues, so I'll get this over with very quickly. At the outset, I would like to say that even though we have the glorified term of advisor, but this is entirely an organization or an initiative which has been taken up by the youngsters who are on board. And I really commend them for their enthusiasm and energy, and the fact that we are rarely ever disturbed, if at all, in terms of any sort of a feedback. So my best wishes to everyone who is involved, and I think it is a vindication of the hard work of all the youngsters who've put in sweat and toil into this endeavor, that we have such an august panel today, Honorable Justice Kurian Joseph and Mr. Mohit Mathur sir, to come forward and inaugurate this and actually bless the efforts of everybody who has been involved in this. So that is it from me, and my best wishes to everyone in the team, and may this endeavor grow leaps and bounds and reach new heights. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the aspiring words, and I'm sure we are all very excited to see what the future holds for our organization. So now, without any further ado, I would request our chief guest, Justice Kurian Joseph, to launch the website by sharing the screen and opening the website.
Thanks a lot, sir. So the website is officially launched. So it's on. We're gracious that your lordships has launched our website. So it's formally on for everyone to look at. So Sanchita, you can take it ahead from here.
Yeah, sir, it would be an honor if you would like to speak a few words regarding the organization.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
you're
lordship.
audible.
Yeah. Dear Mr. Mohit Mathur, the President of the Delhi High Court Bar Association, dear friend, Advocate Dr. Amit George, dear Nitesh Samara, and my dear young sisters and brothers. I can see Anand Garg also, yeah. I can see many lawyers also and many youngsters also on this platform. First of all, let me wish you a very happy Onam. It's actually the national festival of all Malayalis. It's a great day when we remember about our universal brotherhood. And and we wish everybody live in harmony, peace, and joy. This is actually the message of Onam. And I'm glad that the youngsters have used this pandemic time for creating a better harmony among the legal circle by providing a platform for the youngsters to come and contribute their articles and share their best of what you call wisdom, their research, because knowledge sharing is a very important factor nowadays. We, our lawyers, think that once we share our knowledge, we take our cat out. No, this is actually art of advocacy is different from sharing of knowledge. I've seen the best of lawyers, even helping the court or the tribunal. Now I do my arbitrations. In arbitrations also, though they are fighting like cats and dogs also, but sometimes the other side always very fairly provide us the legal position, though it may not be helpful to the other side. That is what is called the knowledge sharing. It's not only a simple honest approach, but the sharing of knowledge, because the law need to grow. No, it's not the party winning the case or the party losing. Art is different. Art of advocacy is different from sharing of knowledge and helping the jurisprudence to grow. So these youngsters, the effort that you have taken to cultivate this habit of knowledge sharing, despite the what you call merit and demerit for the success or the defeat of your case, but helping the jurisprudence on a particular academic issue to grow is a wonderful thing. Number one. Number two, you see, the young lawyers or even the senior lawyers have become pretty busy. You don't see any academic discussions going on as it used to be there. If you see the researched articles, if you see the quality of the researched articles and compare it with the researched articles we see from the foreign journals, I honestly feel the quality has come down. Reason is our lawyers have become very busy, and the research assistance also is not much. And our institutions are not really keen on academic research by providing what they call the growth of jurisprudence on a particular aspect. Yes, we do have publications, but it is one thing to say have publications. It is another thing to say that for assisting the litigant, what they call the people who are actually engaged in litigation, for helping them to sharpen their faculties so as to have a better assistant to the court or a tribunal, whatever may the case. And this also helps the youngsters to have a platform to express their views also. because young lawyers may not get a platform either in SEC or in AIR or in reputed journals. But all the same time, you have quality research products also. So others may not take your views or permit you to assist your air your views also. So a platform like this, Legal Yacht, this is a yacht. Yes, literally means a yacht. All of you can come in and be in it, and then be part of it also, and take your journey forward. So together, if together we can take your journey forward by the knowledge sharing, as well as sharpening your faculties and helping the court and tribunals also to go forward. So, see, the popular notion of a yacht is actually a place where all of you can get in and then swim forward or help you to go forward. It all depends on how much effort all of you put in so that the yacht goes forward. So, hearty congratulations to my young friends. You have taken this great initiative, used to this pandemic period for the for a very creative and a novel idea, because there is hardly any platform for the youngsters to come in and show their merits, so show their what you call intellectual bandwidth. I must use the same word. Intellectual bandwidth is now permissible on this virtual platform. That's something very creative, and this is something very novel idea on your part. I must heartily congratulate you. Wish you all the best, and God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir, for your aspiring words for all the lawyers as well as the board members. So, Legal Yacht has now successfully sailed into the fruitful endeavors that the organization truly promises. Along with that, we had also held the first national debate competition, where the preliminary round was on 29th August and the semi-finals were on 30th August. And it was on the topic juveniles should be treated and tried as adults, where more than 40 students from 27 colleges across the country participated in a 3-round competition. Now, I would kindly request our guest of honor, Shri Mohit Mathur, sir, President of Delhi High Court Bar Association, to say a few words for the new venture and also announce the names of the winners of our first national debate competition.
Thank you, Sanchita. I think I'll keep the names, keep the suspense on, otherwise nobody will listen to me. I am grateful to share the same screen with Justice Kurian Joseph. This is the second time I am having the honor of sharing a screen with him during this pandemic times, having the webinar also. I am grateful to all your advisors and your team members of Legal Yacht for inviting me today and giving me this opportunity. Taking the cue from what Sir just said, that a yacht allows you to jump on it to sail through the waters. And I was going through your Legal Yacht, some points on it, what you are trying to do and what you are intending to achieve. I'd say it's something akin to what I had said on 17th May this year, marking the anniversary of our executive who completed 1 year in lockdown. So during lockdown, I had in one of the interviews said that though we were at that time only 2 months into the pandemic and we were still on the verge of pulling down the lockdown and opening up it was opening up starting from 3rd of May onwards. So I had at that time said that we should use this pandemic also as an opportunity, because it obviously is throwing out to us so many different situations which either we can cry horse off or we can use it as an opportunity to develop something good for our profession as well. And I was in fact at that time also emphasizing that this new things which will come up, though I was also learning the technology, would be from the youngsters who are not actually cowed down by your normal euphoric the situation of the pandemic, that things are not happening, things will not happen, and doomsday is coming. And here, voila, we have a new thing coming up, a new platform set up. And as Sir rightly said, Justice Kurian Joseph said, that very rarely do youngsters get the opportunity of coming forward and voicing their opinions, voicing their views. So it is really indeed a good and a very, very noble gesture of the team advisors who are allowing new people to step in, new voices to come out, new ideas to be brought out, so that you are also exposed and people get to see that wisdom and the knowledge doesn't come just by age. It's also there with some people who have brilliant ideas and they need that exposure. So, congratulations to all of you. And Sir rightly said also, and I voiced the same opinion, that yes, we need the youngsters to carry on good research so that law develops, the jurisprudence develops, because ultimately we all live on that. And that's what we thrive on. So we need that. So rather than wasting any one of yours time, and probably keenly awaited are the results. If we start from the second runners-up team of your first national debate competition, it is team number 12, Komal and Vanshika. My kudos to them. First runner-up team is winners of your first national debate competition are team. Sir, we haven't heard first runner-up, sir. It was stuck. Video got stuck. Oh, sorry. First runner-up team is team 8, Prachi and Muskan. Congratulations to them. And the winner of the first national debate competition is team 6, Shobhit and Trisha. Best debater prize goes to Shobhit. Congratulations to all the winners. And I hope this first national debate competition then continues into your future years with really good speakers coming up and who will then enrich the bar. So from my side, and I would say from all the members of the High Court Bar Association whom I had informed that today I would not hold any meeting because I have to be with Justice Joseph on this platform. So congratulations to all of you and thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mohit, and thank you, Sangeeta.
And
great,
sir,
great work.
Happy Onam to everyone.
God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. So now, finally, I would like Mr. Nitesh Mehra, sir, who is our mentor and has turned this organization into a reality, and request him to address everyone, thanking our esteemed guests and say a few words for this organization as well. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Sanchita. I am nobody the mentor. The mentors are already sitting here. Those are Honorable Justice Kurian Joseph, sir, and my big brother also, Mr. Mohit Mathur, sir, who is also the president of the Delhi High Court Bar Association. They are the real mentors who always boost us to do something new. And it's their push that always we think and bring the ideas into reality. So today, I thank all of you, the respected guests, and advisory board members, the operational heads, all my law interns of the Legal Yacht, and our most valued invited guests for the day. So it's my privilege to have all of you today and asking me to propose this vote of thanks. So today, my words are not only enough to express the gratitude on behalf of Legal Yacht, the advisory board members, the operational heads, and the interns. I would like to thank our honorable chief guest and our guest of honor for taking out time from their busy schedule to grace us with their presence and to share their views and words of the wisdom on the occasion of our launch. So finally, I would say and take the opportunity and heartiest thanks to the advisory board members of the Legal Yacht and the operational heads and all our current interns who have been working tirelessly each day and each night to make it possible. Sir, our team has trusted their skills and believe their abilities. The positive reinforcement is the result of the same. Sir, an event like this cannot come over the night. The wheels were starting 2 months back, and the first official meeting of our venture took place on 2nd of August 2020 online, and that too was online. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team which is very motivated and dedicated to have the legal yacht launch very soon. Sir, it won't be an understatement to say that this day I would have been possible without everyone's contribution and persistent hard work. I'm very grateful to all of you in this journey, and I hope that we all will continue to give together this organization the best boost. Last but not the least, I would like to once again thanks to our honorable chief guest and our guest of honor, Shri Mohit Mathur, who is always with us, standing to see that the things get in the proper way. With this, I would take my words and I would thank all the entire organization, the parts, the interns who has been the part of this organization to taking it forward. Thanks to all of you. Sanchita, over to you.
Sanjita, by chance, do we have the best speaker and the best team here?
Sir,
Sanchita asked.
I would give the best speaker. I can't give it. Give it to
Is Shobhit on the screen?
So,
one person.
Shobit, are you there? Shobit, can you hear us?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Yeah.
So, sir, he is not here. And do we have Trisha? Trisha? So the winners team is not there. I think we will give it to somebody else then. Hey, Lordships, the concluding words. Sanchita, I think by this we can end this, and it was a great.
Yeah, thank you. There may be in some other program.
Yeah.
But it doesn't matter. Once again, my hearty congratulations to all of you. Continue this great venture. It's a great initiative. Because a lot of interns, do marvelous research, and they don't get any platform to express their views. So they can utilize all their potential, and have this platform of yacht sailing through. As Mohit said, you can sail through. Very good. All the best. Once again, God bless. Jai Hind.
If your lordship will kind enough to see, and I'll ask Mohit Mathur sir also. Our team has written an article on this MSME issue where the professionals of lawyers has been included. So they have written it very well. So we'll request your lordships and Mohit.
Sure.
Very well.
Thank you, sir. Nice seeing you
Thank
once
you.
again.
So have a good night. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you all of you. Thank you all of you to be here and for your time. Thanks to all my team and mates. Thank you.
Thank you, Govind. Mohit.
Sir, I am not likely to become the same person or hold the position which he is holding.
You will become a hair person.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
All the best, Mohit. God bless you. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Amit, thank you. It's Amit's what you call request which brought me here. Thank you, Amit. He's always behind all these great initiatives and great a person supporting everybody. Yeah.
Sir, in fact, their team, Nitesh, Amit, and all, sir, Anand, these people, they are amongst the youngsters in our bar. I can proudly say, I'm really happy to have them always in support, and they are always keen on doing something. That's the best part of it.
Wonderful.
And we need
you
such
cannot
people.
get a better Nitesh, Anand, and Amit. You cannot get a better encomium than the.
They're so deeply obliged for my lord.
It has come from the Pradhan.
Thank you, Mohit, sir.
All the
Thank you.
best.
Stay
Thank
safe. Yeah.
Thank you,
Bye.
sir.
Mohit, sir. Thanks a lot.